How to clear multiple keyframes from multiple clips on the timeline of Davinci Resolve. So this smart reframe added a lot of keyframe to the clips. To find out if they have some keyframes, we can see those two icons in the lower right corner of each clip. If those icons are not there, those two, then there are no keyframes. If I open that, we can see those keyframes. If I open the first icon, then we can see those. Okay, to finally clear them, we can use here at the inspector video tab, transform. We can use the first left pointed arrow. If I click on this one, it will clear it from this clip only. So the sign disappeared from this corner, but is present at that, and all of them. So to clear all the keyframes from all the clips, Ctrl A on the keyboard. Now multiple clips are selected, and same thing, transform and that one. And then those icons will disappear and there will be no more keyframes. Let's just visualize them. Click on that arrow and they are gone.